Hello, my name is Grace Kambanji and this is my assistant Rumbidzai Kamuka. We are here as Madziwa Teachers College. We are going to present and make a dishwasher and some detergents. But before I do that, I'm going to explain how to make sanitizer. This is a program that I've learned through our First Lady, Maim Auxilium Nangagwa. She did a project through Pakamani where we learned as women to empower ourselves through indigenization, through making these products. So I'm going to explain how to make sanitizer. It's a simple method that you can even use at home so as to protect your family. You can use alcohol. You can also use a product that is called tea. There's also thickener if you want it to be thick, but if you don't want it to be thick, you can use these other products. You mix it quite well. You mix alcohol and water. Then if you need, or if you think you need the thickener, you apply thickener as you mix. So it's very simple. You can use it and you can try it at home. So I'll start to explain the ingredients that I'll be using. I'll be making dishwasher as well as toilet cleaner. This process, you can do it in the same bucket, but you can mix, you can separate later. So I'll be using what I call Sles. I use 750 grams. Then there's soda ash. There's also sulphuric acid, this one. And there's no urea at the moment, so we are just going to use what we have at the moment. I also have Bemacol. We have coloring. There's also this other chemical that is very important, but you can still make it without it. It's called CD, or people use it as, they call it the comrade. Then I have sodium chloride. There's also formalin, which is supposed to be there. It's a preservative chemical. But for now, we are just going to use what we have. There is also lemon fresh. Lemon fresh is right here that I can use, you know, when you are making a dishwasher, that lemonness that comes out of it. Then there is dye. So when I'm separating the two, I use different dyes. That's when these dyes come from, where you can identify that this is dishwasher and this is toilet cleaner. And also on these lemon fresh, I can also use this one for toilet cleaner. So we are going to start by putting our 750 grams of Sles. Then we are going to mix it until it turns white. And make sure when you're mixing it, you use one direction, because the moment you turn your direction, it becomes a disaster. So you make sure you are wearing protective clothing when you're using these chemicals, especially women. You don't want your hands to go rough. So we want to make a 10 liter bucket. Put it back in. So we are going to start mixing. So as we mix, make sure you maintain your side throughout the process. So I'm going to choose this side as I'll be mixing. And as you can see, it's changing color gradually. Make sure you mix it. As you can see, it has changed its color. So when this has happened, we add water. We add water. This is the 10 liter water. Make sure you just maintain the direction. You keep on mixing it. as you go. Mix it.
All of it, yes.
So I want you to take soda ash, 20 grams, and mix it in water separately. You pour. Make sure you just maintain the direction. Then after we have to, so we still have these lamps, so they should be broken. This should be maintained until the lamps have disappeared. Okay, you can now take the sulphuric acid.
Sulphuric acid.
Pour it
inside the bucket.
Oh no, did we put caustic soda? Oh no, sulphuric first. Put it.
Sulphuric first.
All of it.
Yes, it should be 250
250
grams. It's charged as grams. You can even see that, you can even notice that it has changed in terms of prepare caustic soda, 1 tablespoon. You put it in water. You mix it until it's dissolved. It's a very challenging and tiresome, but it has good results. You can pour if it's okay. We are replacing the industrial salt to sodium chloride. I'm now adding my color. So before I add color, I think I have to separate, because a dishwasher color and toilet cleaner are two different things, so I need something to separate. So we are going to measure 5 liters to dishwasher and 5 liters to toilet cleaner. You can see the foam is just out of this one. Yeah, it's thick. It should be thick. Yeah, I'm going to develop muscles. So I think I need that thing that we use to measure water, so that I measure 5 liters out of this one. Okay. Because it's foam, I think we still need to mix it. That's where you see that women are indeed powerful.
Yeah.
I don't think men are able to do this one. I think I have to challenge them. It's a process. So I'm going to measure so that I separate these two. Now give me the color, the dye.
This one.
Yes, that one is for dishwasher. We are not able to open these ones because our hands are so, yeah. This one, you choose what you want as an individual, if you want the darker color or you prefer the lighter color. So I prefer the darker color. So I'm just going to put, I'll be adding as I go. I need that one. So you'll be working on this one.
This one.
So as you can see, the color is already changing. The color is already changing. The color is already changing. As you can see, the color is changing. Okay, so on this one, this is our toilet cleaner. We are going to put our hair. There's green here, so you put it, it's going to be a mixed color because these colors are very powerful. So you make sure that you don't mix these colors. So you come and mix this one, or even mix that one. As you can see, the colors are now different. The idea here is to make sure you mix it until it says so. So now we are going to add the perfumes in both chemicals. Because of allergies, you don't need to put a lot of it. Because some people are allergic to it. Yes, this one is for toilet cleaner. And this one is lemon fresh, that one that you put in your dishwashers. You can see that it has changed quite a lot. So I'm going to check if there are no knots inside. I think he's doing quite well. Going to check in this one. If it's still white, it shows that it hasn't been mixing quite well. But as you can see, it shows that everything is going quite well. Yes. So we continue to mix. I think about 5 minutes, then we are done. 5 more minutes to go, then we are done. Yeah, it has to. You should make sure you mix it. Yeah, it's quite a hassle, but the more you mix, the more it becomes perfect. Yeah, we are almost there. Yeah, we're almost there. I think we have done justice to it because it no longer has those lumps and it looks very smooth in both angles. So I think it's now ready. So when it's like this, you let it settle overnight, and when it's settled, you can now pack and it is ready for market.
Okay, you let it settle in those bags?
Yes, you don't move them, or you can put them in a container that you feel it is appropriate. Then you let them settle overnight. Tomorrow morning, they'll be ready and perfect.
No need to add water or anything?
No, it's already okay. It's a done deal.
And how many liters have you made?
It becomes 10 liters, but because we used the same in making both toilet cleaner and dishwasher, it becomes 5 liters because we have separated both. So this process that we have been using and these chemicals that we have been using, they make 10 liters.
Okay.
Yes. So I think we are done. They are ready for them to settle down. So when they are ready, they will be looking like this. This is the dishwasher that we have been making, and this is the toilet cleaner that we have been making. This process might look tiring and boring, but it's very, very profitable. Trust me, I've been doing it and I've been benefiting a lot. I've been selling in the local market, and I myself, I was done going into the shops buying liquid soap, be it dishwasher or toilet cleaner. If I feel like I want toilet cleaner, I'll just make it for myself. Try it, it's very profitable. Thank you.